So what are some of the PS5 error codes list? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can figure out what all the error codes that you get in your PS5 are all about. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you can actually see in this image here, I have a certain list of all the error codes that you might happen to run over time on your PS5 console. That starts with WS to CE, from CE100 to all the other variants, and you also have NP and other PS5. The first one on the list, which is of course the WS, is actually currently under maintenance type of issue, right? And this issue actually happens when you have a certain setting or internet connection that's not configured properly. And then you have the CE1078804, which gives you something went wrong error. Then you also have CE1082551, which says that something went wrong with this game or app. You have PS5 error code CE108625, which says unable to connect to the server. This also is related to the internet. And most of the error codes that you see over here are also related to some of the issues with the internet. So the primary reason, as you can see, is definitely internet connection. So make sure that your internet is configured properly. Then you can just go to storage and then make sure you have enough storage as well. Also make sure that you're always up to date with your software in this case, and once you make sure all of that, this way you'll be able to prevent some of the error codes that we can see on the list. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.